I'm just building my own off-grid garage workshop, so I'm just going to show you what parts we're going to finish cladding it. I've only just got a camera for YouTube, so I'm going to take you along on the journey now to show you how we're going to connect the off-grid electric and a wind turbine and solar panels. I've just installed a 12-volt gas heater, so I'm going to show you what I've done there. Just show you around the sides, down there. This is a roller shutter door that uses electric that we run off the wind turbine and the solar panels when I get it all in. That there, that's where the wind turbine's going to go on. Get you up the side. I've built it all out of modular timber. The windows were from a house down the road that's having new windows put in, so they were going to the tip and the door. So that was kindly donated by the lady who owns the house, but they're being thrown out anyway. Just go inside now and show you the so this up here now, this is the diesel heater I got set up, just running off a battery for now, and this battery will be run off a wind turbine and solar panels which I've got all in. We're doing projects along the way to show people how to run a workshop off grid. So I built the structure, now we're just I'm just getting to my favourite bit now of all my gadgets and gizmos, and I'm just going to show people how you can heat and run a workshop all off grid with solar panel and turbine, and I hope I've got it all set up right. So this is a start, and I'll any questions anyone's got to answer, anything like that, let me know and I'll try and answer the best I can. But you can probably guide me either way because I'm all new to this as well. So I'll show you what I've done here. I've installed this, it's a 12-volt diesel heater, so you get diesel in there, and you've probably seen them on YouTube and that. This is the exhaust at the bottom here. Gets really hot, so what I've done, I've put it in a piece of tubing, and then I've lagged the tubing inside, and the outside of my workshop it goes through corrugated sheeting, so it goes down to 1 inch there, and this is the outlet. I've just let it just blow in nice. You even get remote control with this, which I'll start the whole system off with remote control in a minute. So that's a setup there. This is your fresh air in, so your combustion chamber. So that's your fresh air in. That's where your air comes through the back there to blow through. So you have to leave and make sure you've got enough gap here to make you get a good airflow. So that's me set up there, which it'll remain there, but I'm still building around it, building a bench up towards that. So we've got a long way to go there, because that's where the benches go in the workbench, is down this wall here. I'll just show you outside where I've got the exhaust, and then we'll fire it all up then. This is the outside, so that's where the exhaust goes there. I've made like a capping for the top of it. It just pokes through about 10mm. It pokes through. There's a Jubilee clip on the end of it to keep it from popping back through. So we'll start it up from cold now. So all I've got is just a battery. It's being charged up, but that'll be replaced with the wind turbine and solar panel soon. Right, I'll pop this on here and we'll fire it up. You can see off the screen then exactly what happens. When I first fitted it and fired it up, It took me a couple of goes to get it in right. So if you see, I fitted a breaker down there to turn the power off when I'm not here. So if I literally just pop that back in now, buy all my stuff I bought is all off eBay. So I pop that breaker back in now. And go back up to the screen there. Then we'll fire this up. Let's have a quick look what's 7 degrees C's at the moment, 14.1 volts, so plenty of charge in there. On power setting 5, which I'll leave it on. So that's what we're. So all I'm going to do now is press on here, and just for the first time I've used the controller, and just see what happens. Looks like it's firing itself up. It has to go through a sequence before to just put everything in order, and then it should just start to fire itself up. There you go, you can start to hear it come through now, the pump's going. Does it all itself. Dead clever, it just works off all this control system here. So all I've done is press on my little key fob, and it's done everything else itself. So you could have it outside in a box and just press on from the inside, and it should just come on. Once it starts combusting, you'll see this little glow plug here that'll go off. Then you don't use a glow plug again, then it's all self-combusting then. So you can see now we're in the combustion chamber. The glow plug light's gone off, so it's running in on the pump now, ramping itself up. Does it all automatically, and once it's hot, that's all it does. It just works it all out itself and just runs itself. That's it. All off a 12-volt battery. So now it's ramping up. Oh, you can hear it getting louder, the fan coming in. Sounds louder on the recording than it actually is. In the building it's not that loud. It's not. When I put my music on, you just don't hear it. Right, so that's it for now. I'll leave it at that for now, and I'll come back later on after I've had it on for a couple of hours, and then I'll let you know how we're performing on it. I'll just show you where the diesel line's up to. So you can see the diesel line there, just at the bottom of the triangle there. So we'll come back in 2 hours. So I've had it on for 2 hours, so we'll see where it's up to and see where the temperature's up to. So that's that. We're just starting off now, 8 degrees C's, and we'll see where it is in 2 hours. Just giving an update on the me 12 volt diesel heater off eBay. Now it's been running for 2 hours. I've had to turn it down to 1. It's getting too hot in here. So I'll just show you what it's on now. Control. It's on now. 34 degrees Celsius. I've got it on. It's been running 1 hour 55 minutes, so nearly 2 hours. And 12.1 volts still in the battery, so it's used hardly anything, and it's on power setting 1, so it's a lowest setting, and it's still keeping it well hot in here. And the amount it's used, remember we started off just at the bottom of that triangle there, just see it there, and it's just gone down now. Not quite the width of my finger in 2 hours, so we had it on full at the beginning. I'm about to turn it right down now. So that's it, that's a setup for that. I'll tidy it up more than the cabling when I build the workbench. But we've got it running from the battery, and I've got it running through a trip there, so I can use that as a switch as well to turn it on and off. So that's it guys. 12 volt heater off eBay, so far highly recommended. I'll give you an update as I start to build more stuff, and if you like, tag, share and follow. You can see as we're going along the projects we got involved with the wind turbine and the solar panels.